Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to animate text and graphics in Canva. So the first thing is you already have your documents or the picture or video you are trying to edit on Canva. So here is how to animate it. So we have highlights here, but I do not want this highlight to just be there, or maybe I'm creating a video. All I have to do is click on this animate icon here, and I can even create an animation to look like what I want it to look like. So, but wait, let's just choose this typewriter. So you see the effect of this typewriter. We can do it on open, on both, on exit, on enter, or both. We can also click on ascend, and it comes from below, and shift upward. We can do shift. We can do a whole lot. We can do roll, and you see how. So just you can just play around, or we can do a custom made one. So let's see how to do that. Now the trick to do is just to look at what they have illustrated here. Is for us to just select how we want it to proceed. So it says here, hold shift whilst dragging to create straight lines. So how we do it is let me just do from here. Okay, and I think that should be it. Oh, it was not. Let's create okay, now so we can do that now. So this is how it will be, and then we click here, and now this is how it moves. Are you guys seeing? So I just did this for the tutorial. So if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.